Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. This is your host Kicha, and last week I went to that amazing Endgame, Avengers Endgame. It was awesome. I loved the scenes, the fighting, the suspense. I loved it. And I really loved the movie. We luckily got two seats for me and my mama. It was a blast. We enjoyed eating popcorn and going to the movie and watching it. It was awesome. It was really awesome. I'll tell you whatever happens in the movie, but not most of it, just little parts of it. It was an awesome movie. I saw all the superheroes like Captain America, Iron Man, Black Widow, everyone. So then the story was that they had to retrieve the time stones to retrieve everyone. That means who all has been snapped out of the universe, who all has been snapped to dust by Thanos, they all have to be retrieved. So for that, they have to get the time stones, get a new glove, and then snap again so that they can reverse it. I'm really sad that Iron Man dies and Captain America. Oh, I have Captain America over here. See, this is our Captain America Titan Hero series figure. So here we have Captain America. It looks awesome. There's good, awesome art over here. As you can you see the art? It looks very good, right? Here also you have a picture of him. Here it shows how to use the Titan Hero power effects. So here's the Iron Man one. Iron Man has his glove. So on his glove, he has a laser which he can use to shoot. So he is in his suit that he used to time travel. He has the power glove. He uses it to shoot later. So you can connect it to any superhero figure you want. There are two places you can connect. One is on the fist and one is on the back. So you have that. And we also have a few characters here. Iron Man, Thor and Ronin, who is Hawkeye. And we have first Avengers. Steve Rogers stands ready to protect the world from its enemies. So Captain America is the first Avenger in Avengers. And that's why he's called Captain America, because he's the captain. So Captain America was a weak child who was in an experiment. His creator sadly passed away by his enemy, like the enemy team. So then he fought in World War II and he was one of the best soldiers. So it's like a story of a weak child becoming super strong. Then after that, he freezes in time for about 70 years and then he comes back in New York years after. So here we have Steve Rogers, or as is known as Captain America. So we have the last one out, and here we have Steve Rogers or Captain America. Yay! Let's keep this here. So here we have the Captain America figure. He has his arm. His arms are movable. His arms are movable, as you can see. Even his hand is movable. You can move this like partially. You can move this like this. This one also, this arm also can do the same, and this one can also rotate completely. So here we have the Captain America shield. You can attach it onto him. There's a small hole here that you can attach it onto. Here we have Captain America with his shield. Looks awesome. He also has his legs which can move like this, like this, like this. He can even do splits like that. He can also do it can't go backwards, but it can go forward, and it can also stand. I think, yes, it can stand like this. So you can put it as if you're a fan of Avengers a lot, you can just collect these and you can keep them in your shelves so that you can have the memory of Captain America and all when you sleep or maybe when you come in. So let's keep this aside. And I'll just give him the shield also. Here now we have the new shield. Fidget spinner shield. So this is Captain America. It looks really cool. He has these small holes where you can put the thing like the power effects. I think the Titan Hero power effects. You can fix it onto the small holes, and then you can make different sounds. You can have different powers and many other things. So this is Captain America. This here, this is Captain America. So we have him standing. Next we have Iron Man, my favorite Avenger. So as you can see, it shows in the back. Tony Stark suits up as a tech-powered Iron Man to battle his foes. Here we have a small picture of him, a really good picture. They're too good with the art. Looks really cool with the art. So here it shows how to use the Power Effects launcher, the Power Effects, Titan Hero Power Effects. Here it shows another picture of him, looks really nice. And here it shows the Captain America. We have here Black Widow, I really want. And Ronan also I really want. I love all of their Avengers. So I love this. I love Iron Man. Tony Stark is the son of billionaire Howard Stark. He's a really good genius in tech. So he made himself his own suit to fight crime. So let's check this out and see. I'll just take the scissors. We have scissors over here. Let's cut them. These four left. Here we have Iron Man. Dun, 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 dun. This is down. Also the box. So you see Iron Man, he has his glove that I was showing you. Pew, pew, pew. So here he has two holes where you can attach the power effects. Here and here he has his heart, his artificial heart over here that he made by himself. Here his head rotates up and down like this. Also moves side to side, up and down. And he also has moving legs and arms. So it's really cool. And I found out one thing, that was how Tony Stark's father, Howard Stark, was a friend of Captain America. And also Iron Man is also a little bit friends with Captain America. They are literally in a fight, like a small fight, but then that's okay because they are still in Avengers. They're still in Avengers, so they both are kind of friends, like they're in a team. So I just put them next to the one and all Captain America. So the final and the biggest one we have here is ta-ta-da! Black Panther! I just dropped like bang. So here we have Black Panther. He looks super awesome. So here it has a gun which can say words like.
Now defeat the Black Panther.
See, now it says now fear the Black Panther.
Together we will win the battle.
Together we will win the battle. That one is just knives getting thrown around, and finally, that's also one gun sound.
This is war.
This is war. A nice one. Here's Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
Forever. Wakanda forever. So that one I like the most. Wakanda forever. You can shoot from this. You can shoot this laser. You can shoot this laser from it. Here, as you can see, here you can attach this to his arm, and then you can shoot. You can also attach it to the, Iron Man and to Captain America. So here it says Wakanda forever, and he has an awesome mark here. See how cool he looks. See how cool he looks. So I can't wait to unbox this. So let's get started. Whoa. Take this out. This looks super cool. Whoa. So look at this black and purple color. It's his new suit. Whenever he gets damaged, he heals. Like whenever he gets hit, it heals him. So that's one specialty about his suit. So let's keep this here. And he has his gun. So this is a gun you can shoot. I'm not going to shoot now. We are going to shoot right off the shield after we check the instruction manual. So here we have, it's for ages 4 and above. As you can see, all of these are 4 and above. Here it shows how to use the different types of the power effects launchers, different types of ones. So let's try this out. Let's put this down and this down. So let's attach this to King T'Challa. So here we have King T'Challa with his number 1 laser. Looks awesome. So let's shoot. Aim. Fire! Whoa, that's epic. That is awesome. Let's fire. Awesome. T'Challa was Prince T'Challa was the son of King T'Chaka, who sadly died, so he had to take over the crown. So he became the Black Panther. A hunter named Claw came to their town to get the vibranium. Vibranium is the strongest material on earth. So then they wanted to get it. So Captain America's shield is also made out of it. So, and that too Black Panther's suit. So then they did a lot of fights, and then finally Black Panther, the real Black Panther, wins. So then this is Black Panther. Whoa, I love him. Shoot Captain America's shield. So here we have Iron Man. Let's keep him here. And then I'm gonna kill you. No, my shield is stronger than anything. Let's see. Oh, his shield is actually stronger than him. I will destroy you, Captain America. No, you won't. Attack! Did you steal a vibranium from our city? No, I didn't. Your shield is made out of vibranium. I knew it. Then fight me to get. No, I missed. Black Panther missed, but he never surrenders. Oh! Oh my God, I'm about to die. No. Da-da-da! Iron Man comes. Stop this nonsense. Scow. Headshot. Okay, I think I should take them to the hospital. Thank you for saving us, Iron Man. No probs. After this, want to play some Fortnite? Sure, I'll beat you easily. Let's see about that. But before that, I want to tell you something. I want to give you this launcher. Thank you. What does this do? You can shoot from it. Whoa, I want to try it. Let's see.
I am Iron Man.
Whoa, this is awesome, Black Panther. Whoa, this works as Iron Man also. Repulsors. Repulsors are the thing in Iron Man's hands which can emit lasers, some sword sounds, lasers.
Switch overlay to smart targeting missiles.
Switch overlay to spark trailing missiles. Chook, chook, chook. That's cool.
I am Iron Man.
So that's it. So that's all of them. So, hey, me just give it. Here, take this, Captain America. Sure. So let's see how is it for Captain America. So let's strap this out.
I am Captain America.
I am Captain America. Just assemble. So that's the word they use whenever they're about to attack. They say, Avengers, assemble. And then the whole war starts. Lasers.
Stand down, soldier.
With like fighting sounds. And then stand down, soldier.
I am Captain America.
So that's it. They're so cool. Iron Man, this belongs to you. Oh, okay, you can keep it. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, I'm also allowing you to keep it. Oh, thank you. Are you still up for that Fortnite game? Sure. But yeah, I'm okay with it. Okay, so meet me at 10 o'clock. Bye, guys. Bye. 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 So if you buy one of them with the Power FX launcher, you can use it from all of your figures. And I really love them. So I found that there are many ones for each and every single character. Black Panther has this one. Captain America has like a shield type of one. Iron Man has lasers. And it's so cool. So if you love Avengers, do get this. It's awesome. So thanks for watching Jump with Kisha. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to Kitcha Tube.